Got some more Shining Revelry packs to open today. Looks like we got something good in this first pack. A holo and one star, maybe a Meowscarada holo. That's new for me. And at the end, we got another one star Blitzel. This is our second one of those. Would have been nice to get a new one, but having two is good. Let's move on to the second pack here and see if we can get something good in it too. There's another Jigglypuff. Oh, we got a holo at the end. That's nice. Got two holos so far. Let's move on to this third pack. And I see something down there. It looks like in the third card. Oh, a Meowscarada. Oh, one star. Just got the holo earlier. Okay, that's great. Got something good in each pack today. Let's move on to the Wonder Pick I have here. And let's see what I get. It's the Charizard EX. Just got the Pikachu EX yesterday from a Wonder Pick. Been lucky with them lately. And then I got my first shiny card from the mission. So that's great. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.